Oh, look at Dan thinking he's a pilot already. Woo! Flying the drone. I don't know if we can get the drone up there. Just don't hit the building. Or
freaking point again. Where is it?
it's right there. I'm gonna tell Grandma over there. I'm gonna hook Dan up with her later.
Oh, she's all about it. You don't even notice the fine oil here. Yo, this motherfucker's crazy, man. Look at this motherfucker. It's like he's fucking sitting down. Look at that fucking thing. It's over the ocean now.
We're about to slow down a little bit.
I can't even fucking see it anymore.
5 feet above.
You're 5 feet?
Here we go. You're doing a practice run.
Let's do it! This guy's gonna cause an accident on this fucking bridge.
I'm fucking chasing these cars. Literally chasing these cars. Beating the car. Alright, coming down the road. Coming back.
What, are you on the other side?
Yeah, I'm already coming back.
Wait. Damn, man. Hello. This is some sick ass shit, man. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Dude, I can't see it.